I know you're saying you went over everything, but show me exactly what position you are in for hours.
So yeah, like I usually have like the person's like arm here,
Okay.
and like I just kind of lean this way, and I would be like, kind of, I just have the tendency to like do this. You know, I'll tattoo and then I have my setup over here.
Your
so
ink
I'll
there,
this
and
way.
then you go that way. Okay.
You know, just kind of a back and forth type.
Okay. So
Yeah.
so you're just feeling this pain.
Yeah, like kind of in this area. It's not necessarily like painful, but I can tell it just feels compressed.
Will it feel like a cramp, or will it feel like?
I feel like I'm pulled this way. The only place I have pain is like my neck. On this side, like at the base, and like kind of coming up this way, just from looking down, I think all the time.
And you're like that though, leaning that
Yeah.
way. Yeah. It was interesting because I don't usually find too many people with a right higher shoulder, but on you, I do feel
Yeah.
and see. Like, I'm gonna stand up. Well, this is from tattooing, and you said you've been doing it for about 7 years.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, just feel that. Most of the time, people have it over here, but you have it right here on that right hand side.
Mhm.
And can you tell him, man? This is what he's created. His old posture from, like, I told him to look back at some pictures of when he was a little kid. I know you're gonna find his left shoulder higher, but right now, he's created this. So we're going to have to undo this.
Mhm.
Okay, you're gonna find me working hard on the side. If anything is too painful, you just let me know.
Oops.
Yeah, don't hold back. Let me know. Okay. Yeah. I got it. Easy. Here we got a nice cushy table.
Yeah, I use one of these.
I don't know how good they are, but
For tattooing, these are like really nice.
never been adjusted. I'll go easy. I'll be nice. The adjustment part is the easy part.
Mm-hmm.
It's all the soft tissue work that's the hard part. Oh, but you got nice flexible joints. Nice and not too much degeneration. Is it right here?
Yeah, pretty much in that area. Yeah.
How about down here? Not as much?
Yeah,
Or-
not as much as
or-
like my mid neck there.
Right there.
Yeah.
Okay, so whenever somebody says it's right in the middle here, I think shoulder and upper neck. And what's happening is the middle piece tears. The middle piece is actually the flexible part.
Mm-hmm.
Doing okay? Have you ever had a massage?
What? Yeah, I've had massage before.
Okay.
Nothing like deep tissue though.
This is somewhat deep.
Yeah, somewhat. Yeah.
Ooh. Ooh. That, my poor little
Ow.
thumb, is not going to be able to do. Sorry.
Yeah, no,
We're going
you're
to
good.
have to, I'm going to use my elbow. It's right here. Yeah, breathe through this. I know, I'm going to go back with the joints. Very good. You know, this whole right side. So here I thought the left-hand side was compressed. No, right-hand side. Okay, I'm gonna have to do the adjustment. It's just not going anywhere. Then I won't be struggling so much. First adjustment coming up, you ready? This is the easiest part. Oh, there's one little piece at the top. No, I got you. Right here, think thoughts right here. There it is. No, but see how this is much more flexible now?
Mm-hmm.
I was fighting with this thing. You know, and you're a big guy compared to me. So I gotta do whatever I gotta do to get this to move. Anything with the jaw or anything up into here?
I grind my teeth, so my jaw hurts every once in a while, but it kind of just comes up.
Yeah, I'm kind of like feeling tension, so I was like, I better ask. Oh, see how this right-hand side is locked?
Yeah, it's the
Left-hand
right side that
Yeah.
I clinch with.
Relax the jaw. There it is.
No way.
We're gonna cheat. Just crack it. There we go. Wait. We're done.
Oh, that was cool. I've never seen that. I just told his mom that they cracked his neck and he's still alive. Like that.
Oh.
What?
Oh, that's...
There we go. So you still have to use restraint. Sorry.
You'll be good.
Thumb was locked. That's good. Trying to figure out what's going on real quick. This side's just tight compared to the right hand. What happened to the elbow?
What
Anything
happened?
Yeah, look at that.
I believe I broke this arm before.
You believe?
Listen, my brothers.
Yeah, the elbow doesn't feel right, and it doesn't feel like I should push it either. So I'm just like, yay, you didn't tell me something that happened right here. You don't remember being in a cast?
No. I know I broke my arm before. I can't remember which arm it was.
It was this one.
Okay.
It was
Yes,
this one.
we'll go with that
I know you just worked out.
one. Yeah.
I'll be nice as I can. But see, this is where the problem is, up in the hip flexor.
Tickles.
I know, I'm right in the hip
Yeah,
flexor.
right here.
Yeah.
Oh.
2, 3.
That doesn't really hurt. It's just the sore muscles.
Just get some blood in there. Get some oxygen. Yeah, keep breathing. That's why I tell people keep breathing. Keep hydrating. Keep hydrating that fascia. A lot more strength in the left and the right leg. Deep breath in. And out. And I won't go any lower than that. Right up here, right shoulder. Oh, that's stuck. This is bad. There it is. Okay. I'm gonna take a break and sit down. See you in an hour.
I'm sorry.
I keep getting caught on your shirt. It's not your fault. I don't know. Thanks.
Got you.
I think, well, the blue roller is a little bit more sticky than the green one. I get caught. It's a little bit different fabric. I mean, material. Whew. And push. There you go. Just gonna have to like hang out here. There it is. I'll get it one piece at a time. Perfect. Now we're talking. Hello. Breathe through this one. Here it is. This is. I thought it was on the right.
It's crazy when you go over those certain areas, there's just so much more pain.
Like there.
Yeah.
You know. That's why when you were saying, oh.
So like even that side was more painful than this one, and now it's not as much.
Oh yeah, it shouldn't be. It'll ease up. You get so used to it. You know, by the end of this, you're like talking through it, and nobody's saying much. Oh, I wonder what's going on. This is like keeps detaching.
I broke it.
You think it's dying?
That probably helps your hands.
It kind of just gets me started. It doesn't really fine tune it, but it gets me started and it desensitizes these nerves so that I can go ahead and apply pressure on it. Keep breathing. I think this is a good first treatment anyway.
He's always asking me to massage him, especially on his back.
Just so he's gonna ask you to do the right. Make sure you don't neglect the left.
Yeah.
He's got a lot of knots over there. There it goes. It's nice when it lets go. Here's a real bad one, okay? Sorry. I'm like, it's such a big knot that I can't even feel the vertebrae. So that's why I'm like, wait, where are we? You know, he's just lifting up his arm, and right at the base of the scapula is where the most torque is being applied, right here. And he's got this huge lump right here. And so your body tries to beef it up, putting in a bunch of glue because it doesn't like all of that motion. And then it just keeps growing. And lovely. Yeah, you just go down with this, something like this. Am I making you bleed? No, not too much.
No.
That's it. All right. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do it. Straighten the bottom leg. Here.
Oh yeah, that one's worse.
Everybody say, this is not ASMR.
It's like, look at how bad it hurts. Look at how good my treatment is. It hurts.
Yes, and you pay for me to do this to you.
Yeah. I ain't tipping.
That's why I charge so much.
That's been covered.
Thank me in a couple hours.
Without you, I'd be nothing.
There it is. Okay, let me see how you feel.
Oh, my legs don't feel as sore. Stretch them out.
Just beat you up. Yay! Now what we have to do is stretch though. How's your neck?
Fine, a lot
Take it
better.
back, take it back. That's the one that's always.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, you can look back now. Before you were like, eh. So, what do I want to do? Oh, ears. I felt
That's
congestion. I have a prediction that the right-hand side is going to be more stuck than the left.
Are we gonna pull in here?
Yeah, you didn't see this part. Most guys don't make it to the end, and they don't see the ear part. Lean away from me. Your whole body, you're in control. Pull. Yeah, Yes, you paid
I got
for
a
this.
feeling the other ear's fine.
That's why I did the worst one first. All right. Lean away. No, see? Nothing there. No, you're fine. Left ear, there was nothing, but the right ear, I could just, when I start feeling congestion right here, I know it leads into the ear.
It just felt like something, I don't know what it is because I'm not smart. So it just felt like something in my ear.
How you feeling? You
I feel a
okay?
lot better. My neck, like, even before thing, I was like, man, I felt like I had to like roll my neck out and everything. It doesn't really feel that way anymore. It feels like a lot more.
More loose. Okay.
Yeah.
I mean, that's the way it should feel
I guess
after a
fluid.
fur.
Like it doesn't feel like pop, 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 pop. Like.
Well, because
Craig's-
the upper part of the neck is now moving,
Okay.
and that was locked, and I went. So yeah, now you're like,
Yeah.
now you gained back that 50%.
Yeah, it feels good. My head feels light.
That's kind of like a euphoria feeling.
Yeah, you
after
think-
you get it at your joints
Blood
popped.
flow,
Yeah.
stuff like that. Yeah.
Yeah.
I get you.
Adjustments should hold at
Mm-hmm.
least, unless you sleep wrong. If you sleep like this on your stomach,
Sorry.
yeah, okay, it's not gonna last as long.
Yeah, I sleep like this.
I know.
On my stomach, yeah, with my head this way.
Try to not sleep on your stomach.
So we'll see. I'll try and be as good as I can.
Okay.